Our gardens are looking so great this time of year, and to keep them away, if you have critters, I'm with Tom Combs, and Bonide has some really great products to help that.
Yes, we do. So the one in my hand is called Repels All. The name kind of says it all, Repels All, right? So talk a little bit about the product. It's all natural ingredients, a mix of 3 different natural ingredients that one will work off of taste, the other off of smell, and the third one off of irritant. And when I say irritant, meaning it'll gently burn the animal's eyes, not to the point where it'll blind them, but just enough to irritate and force them to move out of the area. So remember that tan shoulder, that indicates all natural ingredients. So let's talk about what animals this will repel in the landscape and in the garden. Things like raccoons, porcupine, rabbits, squirrels, crows, other birds. There's 47 animals on this one label.
And then where do we put it? Do we put it right on the plants?
No, you're not going to want to put it on the foliage. So Repels All in a liquid, this is a ready-to-use bottle, also comes in a dry formula, is going to be applied around the perimeter of the raised bed or the vegetable garden, or even in around the landscape, okay? So a perimeter treatment versus on the foliage.
All right. And then what if they're like, they don't even pay attention to that and they're starting to chomp on my vegetables or my roses? Do you have something for that?
I do, and it isn't just, you know, we've applied this and they just blow through it and keep going. It's always good to do what I call mix it up. So Repels All, and then the one in my hand is Go Away Deer and Rabbit Repellent. So another all-natural deterrent, but this one is capsaicin, it's hot pepper. So this one we could apply right to the foliage of the broccoli, we could put it on our carrots, our cucumbers, up to the day of harvest, because it's just hot pepper, okay? So safe to use. When we go to harvest our fruit, just wash it off, which we naturally do. And it's safe to use.
And then what about reapplying? Should we keep it a certain timing, or how does that work?
A great question. You know, we are in the Pacific Northwest and Mother Nature likes to do her thing. So the label on Repels All will say up to 2 months between applications. That might be a little bit of a stretch, especially when we're getting some hard downpours. So I would say in the rainy months, maybe every 3 to 4 weeks reapply. And then the Go Away Deer and Rabbit, the capsaicin, definitely reapply maybe every 7 to 10 days.
Okay. And that makes sense, because it's just going to wash off and you really want to have that protection there while the vegetables are growing.
Right. Growing reminded me of something. You know, we could treat our broccoli, we could treat our lettuce, but they're growing, right? So unless we treat that new growth, we're really not achieving anything.
Right. Oh, really a good tip for that.
Yep.
So we really want to be able to harvest our vegetables and enjoy all of our flowers and our landscape plants. So please go to gardentime.tv. You can click over to the Bonide website and find out where you can get these good products for your garden this year. Thanks so much, Tom.
Yep.